Hey guys, it's the spring of the year and it's time to start pumping some water. The groundwater is pretty high already this year. We haven't had much rain, but I want to get a head start in case we do get a few showers in the forecast so there don't end up issues in my basement. The footprint for my home here is about 1,000 square feet, and let's have a look in the basement and see how much water has already accumulated. When the sump pump does kick in, the water comes out to that white pipe and then into the black one. And then this year I'll be collecting it in this third container. I'll be using the other ones for rainwater. So I want to keep the water separated. So let's go have a look in the basement and see how much water is there. Okay, so here we are in the basement. Let's have a look and see how much water we've already got to this point. Okay, you can see it's pretty high there. It's about 8 inches from the floor, and I'll be able to pump out probably close to a foot of that water. So let's get the sump pump plugged in. Significant amount of water, and that you can already see it starting to rise. So let's give it a few hours, maybe overnight, and we'll see how many gallons we can push out from underneath the concrete pad here of my home. Okay, so it's next day. It's been just over 24 hours, and we are at the 400 gallon point. So pretty incredible for just 24 hours of water being pumped out from beneath the foundation of my home. Alright, so we're at the 9-day mark and the water level is right there, which is 1,200 gallons. Alright guys, it's been 2 weeks. Let's have a look and see what we got in the tank. So right here is the 1,250 gallon mark, and let's have a look and see what we got. Yeah, it's full right to the top. So we got about 1,300 gallons in that amount of time. Not too bad. So in order for me to use this water, I'll be either putting a pump down into it, bottom to a pump, and you can check out my other videos to see how I use this water, which I got from my sump pump underneath my home. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see what else I'm up to, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.